Go.
I'm gonna do this with these quarters.
Okay.
And watch.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Show me again.
Okay. I'm gonna do more.
So what you doing with the quarters?
Trying to make 2 at a time. Remember when I showed you? There's 1.
Let me see. Wait. Do one.
There was. Remember
There's
when I
one.
showed
There's
you
1 quarter.
when there was 1,
Okay.
and then there was 2.
2. How'd you do that?
I work sometimes, and then sometimes I practice with these,
Mm-hmm.
and then I'm gonna do this.
Watch this magic trick. I got 2. 2 and 1.
Oh. Show me close up. Well, don't, not honey. Whoa. You turn that penny into 2 pennies. That's pretty slick.